Everything nowadays is getting automated. Everything from the backups in our mobile phones and doors of our homes to our offices and almost every part of our automobiles. Anything that automates specific tasks, executes them with speed and precision, and performs a job with little or no human interference is a robot. A robot is a human-made machine that works on automation and delivers the work efficiently. As time goes on, and robots are becoming more advanced, more and more are marketed primarily at regular consumers. Robots are no longer just a domain of manufacturing and laboratories, as there are plenty for the average consumers of the world to buy. Some of these have uses around the house, some are meant to spark an interest in STEM fields, and others are toys with some extra functionality. We have listed the top 5 personal robots and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find our more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Number 5. Aibo. Aibo Artificial Intelligence Robot is the perfect personal robot if you're looking for a pet in the form of a robot. The word Aibo in Japanese means a friend. It is a robotic AI puppy. Aibo is an independent and energized robot who constantly wants to know you better than anyone. Aibo is curious and eager to learn every day. The robot loves spending time with you and your family and is fascinated by the toys. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity and can automatically back up the data. Aibo performs all of his tasks by Aibo Life software that gives the robot ability to walk, speak, and perform other tasks. It uses a camera and facial recognition to interact with people. Its behavior keeps evolving with time. Aibo will start to identify its owner's face, recognize smiles and waves of laughter, and keep coming up with new tricks to make your free time fun. Number 4. Wonder Workshop Dash. Say no to junk toys that offer little intellectual training, because Wonder Workshop Dash proves that education can be enjoyable. The school favorite robot can let kids have fun and exercise critical thinking while exploring the 5 downloadable apps that have their coding levels. The learning platform incorporates friendly images for concept coding at the beginner's levels to more advanced coding. Use Dash to lighten up your day with its lights, sounds, sensors, and movements of playtime for up to 5 hours. The cool accessories of Dash can even back up your playful imagination. Have it driving around the house, boasting its smart moves, and further exploring its fun sequences. Get this if you want your child to combine play and learning. Dash is a programmable robot that might just unlock the feature of digital geniuses. From kiddie coding to an intermediate level of coding, adults will likewise get intrigued by Dash's capabilities. Number 3. Ruko Smart Robot. Created for children ages 4 to 9, this cool-looking robot is a great way to introduce your kids to technology. There are 58 separate actions to choose from, ensuring your child will not get bored after a play session or two. With Bluetooth connectivity, this robot can even play music and dance accordingly. Parents love how interactive this device is, as well as its sturdy, thoughtful design. Kids love its variety of voices, easy volume controls, and LED emoji expressions. This robot makes a great gift for a younger child who is curious and imaginative. Designed to be safe and child-friendly, this toy will provide hours of interactive fun that will also help them to learn along the way. This robot is able to be easily set up and has features of voice recording and playback. It has a variety of plays according to your child's preferences. Ruko Robot is a good example of today's artificial intelligent robots that can evolve and cope with human life activities. Similarly, this robot toy can perform much more than our expectations. 2 powerful motors help this AI robot dance in by moving its hands and feet up, down, left, right, walk, and slide. However, it cannot hold things in its hands, but it can amaze you with a movement that appears perfect in motion with a song and very well coordinated. The Ruko programmable smart robot can walk in all 4 directions. The 4 wheels help it move back and forth as well as take turns easily. Make sure that you have put it on a surface that is plain and not like carpet. Another minute but a good feature is its 2-step speed. Yes, you have 2 optional speed modes to select from the fast and the slow. The best thing about the Ruko programmable smart robot is its self-programming. Just press the program button on the control remote and select the following 50 actions that you want the AI smart robot to execute. Those 50 actions will be recorded in its memory and played respectively. Number 2. Misa. Misa is one of the top-notch special family robots. It performs all the actions a human would do, from handling your schedule and children when away from home to taking care of your home. Misa is your friend, homemaker, camera person, artist, guide, and much more. By simply saying, "Hey Misa," it will hear and respond to your voice. It interacts with you by providing high-quality audio and video experiences. Misa can also take care of the elderly by offering proper nutrition intake and fitness advice. It protects your data and helps users keep a check on the information consumed by their children. With Misa Connect, you can control the Misa robot. Misa will let you know the daily happenings around the globe with just a few questions. It is diverse since it can converse in many languages like English, Spanish, Italian, Mandarin, etc. Number 1. Astro. Though Astro isn't available to the general public quite yet, This robot is worth mentioning for its home monitoring and assistant capabilities, and you can request an invitation to purchase one now. Able to check on specific rooms while you're away and send activity alerts, Astro keeps an eye on everything. It can also play music, podcasts, and shows, bring snacks, and help you make calls or set reminders with Alexa. Don't want to hunt down your kids to tell them dinner is on the table? Leave it to Astro. It also can be integrated with a Ring Protect Pro plan for enhanced home security when you're out of town. Astro sends you an alert when it comes across an unrecognized person or hears any abnormal or irregular sounds when you're away from home. Astro ensures that you're always remotely connected to your home. You can ask Astro to obey your commands and set important work reminders. It can even tell if there is a break in your house and other similar threats. Respecting the user's privacy is the topmost priority of any machine, and Astro highly appreciates it. Concerned that Alexa on wheels will hear everything? Turning off the mics, cameras, and motion is simple with a physical button, and you can program out-of-bounds zones like a bedroom or bathroom. Conclusion: robots and robotics is the future. Slowly and steadily, robots are occupying all the menial jobs such as lifting tons of heavy weights and doing repetitive tasks for humans to focus on more critical tasks. It can reach the area where humans cannot. They can operate dangerous tools and work in a hazardous environment, clean places where humans cannot even think of going, assemble a building from scratch within days, and provide information remotely with just a few clicks from a million miles away. Therefore, if used constructively, robots can become humans' best friends. It is making people competitive and efficient at the same time, so you should consider purchasing a personal robot that can simplify your life. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.